Hello everyone, Snipe Trading here. Today is Thursday, February 21. I'm going to go over my trades for today. So I did 2 trades. I started out off green for today with BLNK and then ended up red, minus $76. So BLNK was from my watch list. So if I pull it over here, so if you go to my website, I post watch list daily here, and on BLNK here, I said to watch for either parabolic towards 5 to short or weak open red to green watching dips. So I went ahead and did that. I saw this weak open here, and then it was having a higher low, and then it popped above 375 here, and I went long, and I actually top ticked this on my buy order because I use my hotkey here, and then so it takes the offer plus 2 cents, so I actually hit the high point there, but I was watching it with my wrist based off this prior high or prior low at 365. So I held it and it broke green. I held into it and sold on this dip here, and then I sold the rest here. I went to the high, as high as 425 for the day, and then it kind of faded off later in the day. My next trade was ZSAN, ZSAN. So this one, I saw a bunch of daily resistance consolidation around the 4 area, so I wanted to see how I react towards the 4. And then there was also this 4 2030 at the 200 EMA. So I went ahead and started short around that 200 EMA around 430, and I thought it would be some resistance there, but I started small, and then it kind of popped up and had a chance to exit flat, but then it ended up holding the 2-minute EMA here, and then 2-minute 13 EMA, and then it went higher, so I ended up stopping out at 5 here, and then reshorted some and covered some and at this dip, and it was kind of holding here. So during this step, I think I went to work. I have a full-time job, so I only train in the morning at 6 a.m. to 9. So I actually got off here and took it all off here. But there was an opportunity here to go long with this break here. You can see there's a consolidation here with higher low, and kind of break through, and then this was a good a long opportunity, and then you can have this measured move here as a profit target, and it kind of hit that exactly. But overall, ZSAN, I started short too early, and that kind of put me in the red for today, and I just kind of stopped trading for today. But yeah, tomorrow I have to be more cautious, try not to short, in the front side of the move, and wait for the backside, which was a really late day backside here. Yeah, if you short here, you might get trapped, and it'll be squeezed out. But I ended up stopping out at this when I saw this 470 was acting as a pretty key area, and then it popped up here, so I just cut it off because it looked like it wants to go higher. Cause when this break here, I was expecting it to curl down, retest the VWAP or I think the 5-minute crack, or the 15-minute retest here, but it didn't. So yeah, unfortunately, yeah, took a bigger loss on that, but BLNK, I think it was a good trade. followed my watch list and plan folder from yesterday, and it ended up paying off. But yeah, that's all. So thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.